Hello guys, review HONOR Magic5 Lite. This version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory. Green color, okay. Open box, loop completion. We have of course device and Type-C cable. This all completion. And on this we have key for SIM slot and documentary. Now talk about device. We have circle camera. On the front side 6.7 inch, almost 6.7 inch display. Power button and warm buttons on this side. Downside slot for 2 nano SIM card, without slot micro SD card, and without headphones jack we have. Okay, turn on device. We have AMOLED Full HD Plus resolution display, 120 Hz refresh rate display. Run look settings. About phone, we have Magic UI 6.1.0 and Android 12. AnTuTu benchmark score. Snapdragon 695, Adreno 690. Okay, run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I show you camera, show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.